Eto mga idol update tayo ngayon sa kaganapan sa Asian Games. Well, una tayo sa boxing. Pasok nga para sa Paris Olympics ang boksingerong si Yomer Marshall matapos nitong manakaut in second round ang Syrian boxer na si Ahmad Ghossan. At makaharap nga niya ang Chinese boxer para sa gold medal, etong si Tang Latihan Toher Tairbaike. Naging bronze medalist si Marshall noong Tokyo Olympics. Samantala taong 1962 pa huling nakasungkit ng gintong medalya sa Asian Games ang Pilipinas National Team. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam 4 na beses nakasungkit ng gold medals para sa men's basketball ang Pilipinas sa Asian Games. Simula nang nabuo ang Asian Games, una nakakuha ng gold medals ang Pilipinas noong 1951, sunod noong 1954, 1958 at ang 1962. Simula noon ay hindi na muli nakakuha ng gold medal ang Pilipinas dahil na rin sa pag-improve ng basketball sa ibang bansa. Muling nasilayan ng Pilipinas sa Asian Games Finals ay noon pang 1990 na kung saan ay China pa mismo ang tumalo sa ating national team. Taong 1998 naman nang hawakan ni Coach Tim Con ng ating national team. Ito yung taon na hindi malilimutan ni Coach Tim Con dahil nadala niya sa semi-finals ang Pilipinas at tinalo nga tayo ulit noon ng bansang China. Naiuwi naman ng mga Pinoy ang bronze medals noon matapos talunin ang bansang Kazakhstan. Pero yun na pala ang huling pagkakataon na masilayan natin ang Pilipinas sa semi-finals. Matapos ang 4 na taon ay sumubok muli ang Pilipinas na sumungkit ng gintong medalya. Pero yun na pala ang magbibigay sa kanila ng masakit na pagkatalo kontra sa Korea. Hawak ng Pilipinas ang 2 points lead at dapat sana'y paglayo ng lead ng Pilipinas kontra sa Korea ay hindi nangyari matapos magmintis ang 2 free throw noon ni Racela at nakakuha pa ng dagger 3-point shot ang Korea. Head coach pa noon si Coach Jonger Chico na ngayon assistant coach ni Coach Tim Con. Simula noon ay hindi na muli nakatikim pa ang Pilipinas ng at least battle for third. Taong 2018 sana ang big chance ng Pilipinas na bumawi para sa Asian Games sa pangunguna noon ni ngayon NBA star Jordan Clarkson. Pero ang nangyari ay bumagsak nga tayo sa ika-5th place. Pero makalipas lamang ang 5 taon ay hindi lang basta-basta ang na-achieve ngayon ng Gilas Pilipinas. Dahil sa pagkakataon na ito ay pasok ulit sila ngayon para sa finals. May panibagong madagdag na naman sa resume ni Coach Tim Con. Dahil nakapasok sa finals ang Gilas Pilipinas ay maghaharap ulit ang Jordan at Pilipinas. Well, bago pa man makapasok sa finals ang Pilipinas ay dumaan muna sa butas ng karayom ang ating national team. Una yan bigla ang pag-step down ni Coach Chot Reyes bilang head coach. Tapos may drama pang nangyari sa eligibility ng ibang players na kung saan ay sa 60 players na isinumiti ng POC ay naging 37 na lang ito. Ito yung dahilan upang hindi mag-qualified sina Terence Romeo, Mo Tautua, Jason Perkins at Calvin Abueva. Sa elimination round ay nakapagtala ng 2-1 ang Gilas Pilipinas sa Group C matapos nilang matalo ang bansang Bahrain, Thailand. Pero tinalo naman sila ng super team na Jordan. Well, nakabawi naman ang Pilipinas kontra sa bansang Qatar dahilan upang maabante sila sa quarterfinals at nakaharap nga ang bansang Iran. Nakamuntikan pa silang matchok noon. Sa semi-finals ay muling nagkaharap ang China at ang Gilas Pilipinas. Well, sa pagkakataon na ito ay hindi na bumayag ang Pilipinas na hanggang semi-finals lang sila na nakambak pa nga nila kahapon ang China. Ayon pa nga mismo kay Coach Tim Con na pagkatapos ng first half ay wala na umano siya nakitang chance para sa Gilas Pilipinas. Pero laking pasasalamat niya kay Brownlee na nakapagtala ng 33 points. Miracle win umano ang nangyari sa laban kahapon. Kahit nga si Jordan Clarkson ay napatweet pa sa nagawa ng Pilipinas, parang nanalo rin si Jordan Clarkson mga idol. Bukas magaganap ang rematch ng Gilas Pilipinas kontra sa Jordan sa finals. Ito na ang 2 beses na nagkaharap sina Justin Brownlee at Ronde Hollis Jefferson. Una ay noong PBA Governors Cup Finals at ngayon muli na naman silang magkaharap sa finals. Pero sa Asian Games na, hindi basta-basta ang Jordan dahil pang World Cup ang lineup na kanilang ginamit ngayon kumpara sa Gilas Pilipinas na halos walang pinagbago ang lineup ng Jordan noon sa World Cup. Kaya good luck Pilipinas.
That was, man. I mean, truly, it was just a miracle. I mean, I can't even imagine it happening that way. You know, the guys just kept battling, and Justin started just getting, you know, it was like the first quarter of Iran all over again, except we did it in the fourth quarter on his third straight day of playing. You know, he was able to step up and hit those shots. I mean, wow, that is amazing. I mean, from a coaching standpoint, I mean, you just watch him play. There's nothing I'm doing out there. There's nothing I'm even doing in the locker, in the dugout, except yelling at everybody. So amazing, amazing. Well, great character to follow that up after the Iran game.
Coach,
Stunned the crowd. Wow, really stunned the crowd. Stunned China. They didn't know what to do.
we were on the receiving end of that against Iran. But what can you say about your guys battling top to bottom, everyone getting minutes, everyone chipping in when they could? Your third game in 3 days and still put out effort.
I thought Kevin did a great job for us. Kevin came out and played some really key minutes early and midway through the fourth. We felt the way the game was going that it was actually LA and Richard came up to me and said, you know, let Kevin have some single highs because, you know, they're out there hard pressuring. We give him some single highs. He can create some stuff for us because he's really the best creator on the team, off the dribble, off the ball. So I had to say hello to them. Those are my bosses.
Coach Tim,
Anyway.
in 1998, it feels like a lifetime ago.
Yeah, I actually haven't even thought about that, but it is kind of okay. It's enough. Come on!
Coach, from this kind of high, how do you level out and focus?
I have to admit, it's going to be difficult. I don't really have a hard time doing it. I'm really good at moving forward and getting focused, but getting the team to move forward and get focused is going to be difficult. But we're going to come in with we're going to be high. They just got to make sure we're not too high. Use the high that we got and move forward with it without letting it, you know, it's hard to explain, but if we go out and we play on a great high and it doesn't work for us right away, we'll deflate really hard. So we got to come out on an even keel, but we should have confidence. You know, we should be a little bit confident in our shots, and hopefully we can get out to a good start against Jordan. We didn't get out the last time to a good start. Well, we did early, but fell behind by the end of the first quarter. Hard for me to think about them right now,
Yeah.
but the problem we had last time was just matchups, and we've got to figure out a better way to match up to them defensively so that we can use our offense better. But we've grown from that game. You know, we've grown from Jordan, and I think that guys are getting a feel for kind of what they're doing. We're kind of elevating our game every time out. Still can't get over this one. I can't believe I'm talking to you guys. I just can't. I mean, I should be crying in the locker room right now, but
go.
instead I'm not. Okay.
It's the first time China won't win the gold in a Chinese Asian
Yeah,
game.
I read that. So, anyway,
Thanks, Coach.
okay.